Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm gonna be making envelopes for my biggest order yet, and I hope that I can show you how to make an envelope through this. So what I did basically is fold a piece of paper in like 3 halves as you can see in the video, and then I folded it from the sides. I do not recommend this. I say that you measure it with a scale, and then I'm gonna cut out the first and the last piece of the folded out portion. As you can see here, I'm gonna keep the middle part of that. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick the middle part, as you can see here in the video, to the last part of the envelope. Now I'm gonna cut a piece out there, so I'm gonna draw a square from a scale, and then I'm gonna use a pen knife. Do not use scissors for this, use a pen knife only. And I'm gonna cut it out, and then I'm gonna finish it off with scissors, like a little unfinished parts, and then I'm gonna cut out a parchment paper or a vellum paper, and I'm gonna stick it there. Then I'm gonna cut the sides of the middle part and the fold of the envelope, as you can see here. Then we are gonna finally stick the left out part, and this is how my envelope turned out. Okay, now let's decorate this envelope with me, and in this part of the video I'm gonna be chatting a little bit, and I'm gonna be telling you what's going on with me and everything. So yeah, basically what I'm doing nowadays is I'm preparing for my competitive exams, and I'm studying, and I've been preparing this order for the past few days now, and I really loved working on it. I enjoyed making it, but it was tiresome, I would not lie, since this is my biggest order I've received, and I really had a very different experience preparing this order. I got to know a lot about preparation and the effort it takes in running this business. I am not sure if it's a business yet. It's just like me taking few orders. So yeah, this is everything that's going. So yeah, this is a envelope for the sticker pack that I'm sending her, and these are the other 3 envelopes that I made. I hope you guys like this video. Please let me know what you think of it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon